Come, let's learn ABC. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hat, I for ice cream, J for jam, K for kite, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for pen, Q for queen, R for rose, S for swan, T for tiger, U for umbrella, V for van, W for watch, X for Xmas tree, Y for yacht, Z for zebra. Thank you.